The need is so great, trees in our region, and when we respond to it, that's what you see, it just sells out. Dr. Perez.
Yes, I would have heard about the slowness. However, not at Mission. Just like Santa Monica, the leadership at Mission is about how do we respond to our community, to our students, as soon as possible. And so part of the leadership, I think, that Catherine has provided, and the senior leadership at faculty and administration at Santa Monica, is how to work together the need, because these industries are moving quickly and we need to respond. So I have 12,000 students. We're the youngest of the 9 LA community colleges. We're in Northeast San Fernando. 6% of my students are Latino, 10% African American, 8%, 6% of the rest are white. A lot of Armenian students. Hoima, San Fernando, Arleta, Granada Hills, Lakeview Terrace. So we're over there, and we had a fire last year, so it almost burned down one of my brand new buildings, but we're nestled against the Silmar Mountains. We located there in '92, and many people said, people in Northeast San Fernando won't go to college. 63% of my service area don't have post-secondary education. 25% don't have high school diplomas. But over the past 20 years in particular, it has grown phenomenally. Yes, people want education.